should have known that you'd come back to find me. I miss you, though I really can't complain. I've never needed someone to remind me that it's hard to feel the sunlight through the rain. Each song I sing, your voice is singing with me. Each tear I cry, you're there to feel the pain. I've counted all the blessings that you give me. Still it's hard to feel the sunlight through the rain. Your gentle smile I know I will remember. I'll hear your laughter echo down the lane. But I never could forget that long September. So hard to feel the sunlight through the rain. Here awake feels like forever. The birds are singing songs that call your name. You told me it would break your heart if I could never find a way to feel the sunlight through the rain. Yes, losing you was like a fall from heaven, and my broken heart in time will heal again. To find the greatest gift your love has given, to learn to feel the sunlight through the rain. Yes, to learn to feel her sunlight through the rain. Uh-huh.